डिजिटल इंडिया प्रोग्रामा खाला गोवा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाचे GED कनेक्ट ॲप सुरू झाला। ह्या ॲपा वयल्यान आपल्या लायटीच्या बिलांचेर ट्रॅक दवरप खंय दर एकल्याक शक्य जातले। ह्या ॲपा खातीर आपलो मोबाईल नंबर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन रजिस्टर करचो पडटलो।
You can't do this from any mobile number. You have to register the mobile number. No? First, you have to register the mobile number on this. So automatically, only person who has registered the mobile can use it.
Just for your information, आमचे online already आशिल्ले. This is the mobile app you have created. Online already आशिल्ले हे करपाक online. Yeah.
पणजे खंय 6 म्हयन्या भितर प्रायोगिक तत्वाचेर स्मार्ट मीटर बसयतले। पहिले फेजीत 70,000 स्मार्ट मीटरांचो प्लान आसा। खर्च साधारण 60 कोटी।
We are thinking of initially putting up in city, Panaji City, maybe another 6 months. You will not be visited by meter readers. Your meter will be read by computer through GSAT reader and automatic. In fact, it will be reading it every 1 hour continuously and tell us even if the meter has gone wrong, and you will get the bill automatically generated by computer. Smart metering we are going in for Panaji City.
For smart city.
Now, to start with, we are going for Panaji because the meters require a particular type of cards to be
entire
inserted.
division 1 we are going, not only Panaji city. Those which comes under the division 1, it will be around 70,000 meters will be covered in this. 70 to 80,000.
Cost will be about 60 crores for 70,000 meters, including all infrastructure, everything, approximately. And in future, you may not require meter reader. There are many work which can be done.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फरारी।